Since 1928, MWG has been a proud Canadian manufacturer. We are the recognized industry leaders in developing performance safety garments for the electrical, mining, and oil and gas industries. We are active on many of the regulatory boards and have an unparalleled depth of experience based on our long history of manufacturing to the exacting specification of the Canadian Armed Forces. We manufacture directly for industry without the use of a third-party distributor. This direct line of communication from the factory floor to the end user has allowed us to adjust to the specific needs of our industry partners. It results in the little things, like having extra pockets for tools and electronics, to working with the textile mills to make sure our garments perform to the demands of their environment. Our clients focus on supplying their employees with durable garments that keep them safe. It's simple. They want zippers that work, seams that won't split, summer clothes that aren't too hot, and warm winter gear. Because comfortable employees are more productive employees. Our clients are looking for a supply chain that is responsive and flexible, one that can meet their needs as they arise. They don't want to wait an unreasonable amount of time for their orders or have to source separate solutions for men's and women's special sizes. They want to place their order and have it invoiced correctly, arrive complete, on time, and at the right destination. Most of all, our clients want value. They want cost savings of garments that have a long life cycle and require less frequent replacing. MWG is certified by the Canadian General Standards Board and is audited annually to ensure that standards are continually being met. This certification encompasses how we manufacture, ship, invoice, and account. Everything from seam strength to the formatting of the shipping label is subject to random audits from government inspectors. Maintaining CGSB certification ensures quality and requires the commitment of our entire organization. It can take months to assemble the necessary components to even start the manufacturing process. We carry both an inventory of raw materials and finished goods so that we can rapidly respond to the needs of our clients. We have the fabric, the personnel, and the production available to meet the day-to-day challenges of our customer. Each shipment is individually packaged and labeled for each employee and can ship directly to the required destination. This allows us to track dollar value by employee, supervisor, or region so that we can provide this information to the client as feedback. At MWG, we offer value. By acting as both manufacturer and distributor, we've eliminated a layer of profit-taking and with it a layer of potential miscommunication. Dealing direct allows us to respond to your needs, but also to understand your needs on a deeper level. It's that understanding that when combined with our expertise and cross-industry experience can result in new innovations and cost savings for you. Consider MWG for your safety garment needs. MWG offers unmatched flexibility, performance, and the assurances of CGSB certification that the product has met the required safety standards. MWG, safety in every stitch.